Gauteng police have announced that Mazwi Kubeka, who was feared kidnapped after a spaza shop dispute, has been found. He apparently presented himself at the Vosloorus police station this evening. Here's Gauteng police spokesperson Dimakatso Nevuriri.
The South African Police Service in Vosloorus confirms that 27-year-old Mazwi Mpumelelo Kubeka, who was reported missing on the 2nd of April 2026, has been found safe. The individual presented himself at Vosloorus Police Station on the evening of the 2nd of May 2026. His identity has been verified and will be reunited with his family after receiving medical assessment. At this stage, the circumstances surrounding the missing persons case are still sketchy and police investigations are underway. South African Police Service thanks the community, the media, and all stakeholders who assisted in sharing information and distributing the missing.
Can I just take off Mboristo there?
Let's go, guys, let's go.
Hello, I'm Sandy Togasubgal. This is an update on Mazwi's current situation. Someone commented by saying he's currently in a local hospital, looking undernourished, and he's still petrified. Was dropped off somewhere in Brakpan to find his way around. We are still waiting for more. Oh, and apparently the circumstances around his disappearance or how he disappeared are somewhat true to what was initially speculated. Because I know what after watching that clip that I just played, we all have questions for Reban. How did Mazwi end up go police station? How did he get there? We all deserve to know because, you know, everyone was making a noise about his whereabouts.